We have this sense that survival is like, hold on to your hat, right? Here it comes. I don't think of it that way. I'm a former Air Force SERE instructor, which is survival, evasion, resistance, and escape. Who are the people who teach our soldiers what to do if they come down behind enemy lines and they want to get back home again. Over my 30 years or so of teaching these skills, this is really the most consolidated version I've done, and many of the skills you're going to see me doing here, I've never done anywhere else on camera. The core of the class is going to revolve around the 5 basic needs of a survivor: signaling, personal protection, sustenance, navigation, and health. We'll talk about what to do before you leave on a trip, how you should be thinking about things before you enter into the wilderness. Then we're going to make a survival kit. Day hikes are the most dangerous because we don't tend to take that much with us. What I put in a survival kit can literally make the difference between life and death if I find myself stuck out there for a longer period. In a survival situation, we need to be able to think rationally and not panic. The key way to do this is simply make your exhales longer than your inhales. And when things start to go wrong, my #1 priority is to get out of here. So signaling needs to be #1. If your mind was going through, oh, I need water, oh, I'm gonna need a fire, those are all secondary. We can go typically about 30 days without food, and on average about 3 days without water. When I was a kid growing up, I had some abuse issues. And as I got older, I would start to sneak out of the house when I would have nightmares and flashbacks. I didn't want to be in a house that didn't feel safe to me. I wanted to go outside and I'd go climb a tree. That was my safe zone. The wilderness is so amazing to help us be capable, competent human beings. What I really want you to understand is that the wilderness is not out to get you. She's not this creature that's hovering and just waiting for an opportunity to pounce. So relax that mindset and go out there and play and learn these techniques. It'll open up a whole new world for you. I'm Jessie Krebs, and this is my masterclass.